Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making a DYI vanilla sugar. Yes, my friends, it's easy. It's only 2 ingredients. It's just a small little steps that you need to do, and you will have yourself some delicious vanilla sugar. You can put it on coffee, you can put it on your desserts, you can bake with it, you can do whatever you like, whatever it is that you would like to eat, to have a little sweetness and a little bit of vanilla flavor on there. It is absolutely perfect and marvelous, might I add. So stay tuned, because these ingredients are really simple and easy, and you can get it done in a flash. So, alright my friends, what you're going to need to get this started is a food processor. And here I have my vanilla bean. Now my vanilla bean at this moment is dry. I had it for a little while. And if that happens to you, that your vanilla bean just dries out, it's okay. It's still usable. You might not be able to scrape all the little seeds inside, but you can certainly use it, so we can start making some vanilla sugar with this. Alright, so we're just going to break it in half, throw it in there with 2 cups of granulated sugar, and that's all you're going to need to get this started. And then now let's process this, and this is going to be delicious. Alright guys, now let me plate this so I can show you how it looks. After your vanilla sugar is done, now you might need to pulse this a few times just to make sure that the vanilla bean has broken down to a billion pieces, if so necessary. You just want to do it a few times, because what happens is that not the whole bean is going to break down. Mesh strainer. And just put a little bit on there at a time, if you like. Or just strain it out like that. And it smells phenomenal. What I've been doing is just filling up my little jar with the rest of my vanilla bean sugar. It smells so sweet. It smells so good. It's like better than one of those Yankee candles. I mean, this is real vanilla flavor, guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it's easy to store it. You just put it in a little mason jar, put the lid on it, and this is good for a pretty while. I mean, you can keep this very long. You can serve this and use this in your coffee, any sweets, any baking that you do. Alright guys, now you know how to make your very own vanilla sugar. Give it a try. It's so delicious. It's perfect in coffee or whatever desserts that requires some sugar and vanilla. You got it right here all in one. Super simple, super easy. I love to use this on my coffee. It just gives it a special jazz with the vanilla flavor that is totally awesome. It smells amazing, and it tastes so good. So give it a try. Jazz up your coffee or whatever desserts that you make. It's great to have on hand, or it makes it perfect. So thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure having you along with me. Any more DYI food items, just let me know. Leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.